Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in the feathers of a macaw parrot, having a shade of red. This color is produced by combining red and a touch of orange, creating its intense and vivid hue. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Scarlet, scarlet, scar-let, scarlet. Scarlet is crucial in the context of art and fashion, helping designers and artists to convey boldness, passion, and energy. This vibrant red color often adds a striking and dynamic element to clothing, artworks, and branding. If you enjoyed learning about scarlet, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.